Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, and we're going to go over how you would replace this whole housing in case you need to, because it got cracked or broken, and that process to replace the inner tail light assembly on your 2008 Toyota Camry. So to start with, you're going to pop the trunk and you're going to raise it up, and then we've got it raised up, and once you have it up there, there's push pins to be removed, at least these two, 1 and 2, and then you'd be able to pull this down or remove these 3. Gives you easier access to pull it down. Right? We have 2 nut things here that are going to be a size 10, and we've got 1 nut here to be unremoved. And then you can just pull this light out, and now we'll just remove those 3 nuts, and we'll be able to remove the whole assembly. Okay, so we've removed the nuts. Okay. Right, so we've removed the whole housing, and so that's the way you remove it. It just needed a little bit more pressure on it, and I thought, to kind of snap it out of place. So while it's off, I decided just to clean it up so that we get a good seal when we put the new one on. So when you've got your new assembly or your replacement good used one, I'm just going to go in the reverse order and just press it down. Give it a good little tap, and then that'll line it up into place. And then put your two nuts on the outside, 1 nut on the inside here. Tighten those into place. Make sure you put that reverse light bulb back in. And then last, you would just make sure you line up and put all the push pins back in to hold up this carpet piece on the top of the trunk. So that's how you replace the inner tail light assembly on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.